Kajabj actually changed my life because I wanted to find my way into growing an online business, and I was reading the books and taking the courses and following the coaches and the gurus and watching the videos, and I started a YouTube channel, and I was like, how do I make money? Well, helping people first of all, but I want to sell online courses. I want to write books, and I was like, I need some type of platform. Like, how do I do this? And back in the day when Kajabj came out, I've been with Kajabj for like a decade. You can literally, hook up your Stripe account or your PayPal and your Kajabj payments and your bank account, and now you can, let's say you write a book, an ebook, like you got the graphic, you could do a 3D product mock-up generator and make it look three-dimensional realistic. Boom, you can sell your book for $18, right? And then have an upsell for $37 to your course, or $397, right? You could do it all on Kajabj. That's what's amazing. Now Kajabj gives you the component to create your own links. You could do everything on this. So the goal is, I'm a Kajabj affiliate. I'll put a link in the description below. Click on that link and sign up with Kajabj through my link so I earn affiliate commissions, whether you know me or don't know me. Please, if you decide to do it, please do it through my link. And I'll keep making dope videos. And I love Kajabj. I support. They actually wrote a chapter about me in their book. Anyways, I'm not saying it's easy. It's hard. It takes time. You're gonna have to watch the videos and learn how to use it and how to build it. But get something simple. It's called a MVS, Minimum Viable System. And your goal should be, within the next 30 days, to not only to create your first offer, create a basic funnel, and start selling something online, one-on-one coaching, group coaching, live events, anything, right? Online course, membership. And then, so now Kajabj's paying for itself, and then start rolling and do what's called a launch. You could do something called a 7-day live launch. It's where you go live every single day for 7 days and you teach your tail off for free, like all out, right? You could just get a little flip chart or a whiteboard from Office Depot. You could teach on there, right, with some markers, and just, you can go live on your phone, right? And then at the end of the 7 days, you let them know, hey, this is a 7-day live launch, and at the end of the 7 days, I'm going to take all this content down, which means it's going to disappear forever. And then what's going to happen is, at the end of this, I'm going to have an offer for you where I'm going to bring you into my online course. And part of the online course is you're going to get 3 hours of one-on-one coaching with me where I'll walk you through. And then you'll get lifetime access to this course, and you'll also get access to all of these replays. And then you can also use AI to take everything you taught and help you create some nice PDF branded workbooks and checklists and check sheets that go along with your training. So for people that like to read, and it helps with the value. And you can also take everything you said and help it to make your next book, right? But it's like a 7-day live launch is a way to get your product going. Now, you can create the whole course first, or you can create it as you go. You could decide whatever you want. You always have the highest amount of ethics and integrity, right? So if you say you're going to do something, you do it, no matter what, obviously. But I always created the courses before I sold them, and then I'll go back based off people's questions and what they're asking, and I'll iterate and add more content to the course and do an update on the course. But and obviously you don't want anything that's in the course to be free online. I bought something from some guru once, and I found that these were just old YouTube videos crammed into a course for $300, and I just felt I'll never get over that, So anyways, so yeah, launch your business. You can do this. And the first time I made $1,100 while I was sleeping, 2014, my wife and I lived in a 1-bedroom apartment. We were broke. And I did my little $37 how to start a landscaping business course. And I made $1,100 while I was sleeping on my first launch. And I woke up, it changed my life. All this hope came rushing in. I was so excited. And then you're going to want to get a book, kind of like Jeff Walker's product launch formula book. Read that. There's all types of great information, but that's pretty good. And it'll help you create the content, and your content will give away tons of free valuable information and build an audience. and serve people at a high level. And then you could do like a quarterly launch. Some people do a monthly webinar. You know the gist. But Kajabj is really where it's at. So I'm a Kajabj affiliate. If you decide to sign up with Kajabj, I'll put a link in the description below to my affiliate. Please use that when you decide to sign up. And I'm really excited and happy for you to hop on board. I don't work for Kajabj or anything, but I'm happy for you to hop on board Kajabj. It's a phenomenal platform, and they have a Facebook group, the Kajabj Hero Community. And then there's lots of cool people in there, always like positively motivating and inspiring and congratulating each other. And you'll see like just average people like you and I be like, I made my first 100K on Kajabj, and everybody like, woohoo, and you're like, wow, 100K, like it's made 50K. Someone new will come in like, I made my first $1,000. Amazing, right? So pretty exciting.